guess this is it. I think this wig is too small for me actually. I like this one. In summer though, when it's really hot, I like to wear this the whole day. Anyways, let's go, let's try the last one. What is up guys, welcome to the new video. I am so excited. Today we are trying some cheap wigs, and because I am not wig specialist at all, like I have no wigs at home, but I wanna change that. I saw some cheap and nice looking wigs, well, on the pictures, so we are going to make sure actually how is it looking in reality. You know, summer is coming and we are planning on going to some festivals, so I wanna maybe play a little bit with my look, with my hair, and I am not gonna dye it right now. I was actually also thinking about it, but you know, it's easier to just buy some wigs. Also guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, leave some comments, and yeah, we are going to try today 6 wigs. And I actually bought all the wigs with the Frenchies because that's only thing what I know or what I saw. It wasn't looking that good on these cheap wigs when the wigs didn't have any Frenchie. So you can really like tell here this part was, you know, like it was not it. You could see just the person is wearing wigs. So I thought maybe with the Frenchies, with the bangs, it could be a little bit more natural. We have them right here. I have there also different length. It's 3 and then here another 3. I wanna start with this very pink long one. Because I'm really excited about this one. Well, I'm excited about all of them. So this is how it came, you know, the packaging. You have there also this, you know, how is it called? Wig cap. It's called literally wig cap. Let's put it on. I'm actually not sure how I should put my, like, what should I do with my hair? Because my hair is pretty thick and long and I don't want, you know, some, let's see, I guess we will see. So this is, so there is actually also a picture how you should do that. First overhead like that. Like this. And then with the rest of hair, then I will just put it in it. Somehow. I saw some other videos like the girls, you know, they put it way too up here, some ponytail, and then the wig was like this, like alien. So I would just, it holds pretty good, so I would just put it there like this. And let's open this. I like that so far. There is inside also some, yeah, papers. To me the wig feels very nice. It's not shiny here at all. The scalp is so natural. I feel the wig looks so good, guys. These wigs are the cheap wigs without the lace, right? So you got there like this inside. Wow. Let's just fix that because this is crazy. These bangs are so long. It's just in my eyes. Help. I have to also somehow secure it. Okay, I got it somehow. Okay, now it feels better. It feels more secure. You definitely see I have some big, I think, like I feel my head is so big right now. And the Frenchies are also so long, so I think you would need to cut them because, you know, it's supposed to be more And like in the front, you can nicely brush it. I have this, you know, a little bit bigger comb, and but it's going to my eyes. I like the color though. The color, it looks actually pretty good. Ooh. So I got it styled a little bit, and I guess this is it. Rate, guys, from 0 to 10. You can rate each wig, and then I will, you know, decide which one is the best. Anyways, let's see how is it in the bag. I'm feeling it. I feel like the color is so nice. Should we see what Sebastian said? Let's see his reaction. He's coming. Yeah. You like my wig?
Yeah. Good.
Like it?
Yeah.
He likes it. So this wig was actually 15.44 €, which I would say it's great. I don't know, I really like it. So it's 70 centimeters. Crown is all around, I guess, 55 centimeters. And yeah, so it's 28" for the Americans. And this one actually didn't had any reviews. So I was a little bit skeptical about that, but I really like it. It's actually very hot in the wigs though. And it was like poking my eyes. I would definitely need to, you know, adjust the bangs, and I need definitely some coffee. So let's try the second one. Okay, with this one I don't have there the wig cap, but I have one already. But if you would just order this one, you won't get the wig cap. Why? By the way, this is not the wig cap. I saw some videos, some girls meant that they thought this is the wig cap. No, that's not the wig cap, girl. This feels also good. This one feels maybe even better, a little bit softer. I used to actually have black hair. Yeah, I think the scalp looks also very realistic, like here. You can actually, I think, wash all these wigs, so that's, yeah, good. I don't know. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Ow, 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 ow. 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 It really hurts when it gets to your eyes, man. I think this wig is too small for me, actually. And I have to go cut the fucking thing off. Look how small it is. It's just... I cannot even see the information. It's like how big, how long. Here it says no, just length 40 centimeters. But it doesn't say the crown. Let's try to fix it a little bit, and then I will try to close it. Okay, I got it clipped. Woo! It's sitting a bit better. I got my hair in it. No, it opened it. Okay, whatever. Maybe I don't really like dark color on me anymore. Maybe Sebastian should come and tell me what he thinks. Like, I would say this is more like play a role thick. Like, I look so cut is too serious for me, I would say. It's also shredding a lot. I don't know if you can see. What do you think, guys? No, I don't like the color on me. So this wig was just 13 €. It had over 1,000 reviews and very good reviews. So I guess, you know, it's not that bad. It's just my head is too big. And it's then like your preference, which style, you know, you want, or which style fits you. I don't like myself in this. Like, I'm literally doing split ear for you guys. Let's go to the next one. Alright, I am back in my sexy cap. We have there also a big cap. The color look also so cool. They are all like really same type, this synthetic wax, and they have all made really nice roots. And I love her. Look at the color. bumps. Okay, so that's how she looks inside. It's pretty same like all of them. Oh wow, I love the color. I really like this color on me. I wasn't sure about it, but I do. Or is it just me? So much hair there. I'm trying to pull it up. This wig fits me good. Better than the one before. The one before was really small. Let's try to clip this together. The good thing with this one is that it's not annoying the hair, the long hair. The long hair is sometimes really annoying. I cannot get over it. I feel like it's really cool. I'm not sure if the lens really fit me. Let's turn around. They are doing the bangs so long by all of these wigs, and I'm actually scared when I cut it that it's gonna look horrible. I had this wig for €13.54, which I'm satisfied with this wigs and the prices. I think it's great. I think it's great, honestly. I don't know. Like, what do you want more for this price, you know? This wig has also lots of reviews, over 1,000 reviews. They have more colors. Let's call Sebastian and see what he says. Good? He said good. No, I literally broke my mirror. Maybe it's a good sign. You know. Now I don't even have a big mirror to look in, so that's very convenient. But I guess it's maybe a good sign. It's supposed to be luck, or... So I have here a fourth wig, which is going to be black, long one, I guess. You got there also a wig cap. Here is the wig. Okay, that's also nice and smooth. It's not that long like the first one though, but it has also this nice natural scalp inside. Is it like the other ones which we tried? Ooh, it's giving me summer vibes. It's somehow a little bit like sheath. Like it's not straight. Like it's like this. Why? Tell me why. Tell me why. Oh, this is lots of work. Now I got it. But I don't think the black color suits me. Oh, this one is shedding a lot, man. I guess that's it. That looks horrible. This looks not so good. I feel like there's not gonna be any hair anymore, like soon. Oh wow, no. So I bought this one for €15.91. It says it's also synthetic wig. It says it's 70 centimeters long. It was also the first one, or I think we are going to go to the other one. Or should I ask Sebastian? He's actually on the call though. He's good. They go there. Alright, let's try the third pink wig. And this is also a long wig. It's a bit different than the other one though. This is it. So it has also pretty nice natural roots. It feels also nice. Oh, it's already shedding. Let's try to just put it on, I guess. It's like about to rain outside, or what is going on? Ooh, ooh, the color is cool. Or what do you think? I like these pink wigs. Just wait a minute, it looks weird right now. I feel like this is it, what I can do for now. I really like this color though. I think I would need to adjust my hair under a little bit better, because I feel like it's here is like nothing, here is like too much. But I like it. I like this one is. I feel like I like it. I feel like I like it. Like, rate, comment below and rate, guys, which one you like the most. Let's see in behind. I got this wig for 14.25 €. I feel like on the picture it's a little bit longer than it actually is. Or no, she has it definitely like here. It has also over 1,000 reviews. It says that the length is supposed to be 66 centimeters. Heat tolerance 150 degrees Celsius. Oh, this one doesn't say it's synthetic. Yeah, so here like you can see the edges. So you should be aware of that you cannot actually do ponytail with this. So just, you know, keep it like this and it's all good. Good? He said it's good. So he likes the pink ones though. Maybe I should just dye my hair pink because it's so warm in those wigs. How you girls wear it all day long? In summer though, when it's really hot, like to wear this the whole day. Anyways, let's go, let's try the last one. I have nothing to say actually about these wigs because they were very cheap, and when I was a kid I used to have this very cheap wig and it was like shining like crazy, like a disco ball when you went, especially, you know, on the sun. But these wigs are for, you know, 10-15 euros, like good. Let's do the last one. It's supposed to be like brownish, maybe a little bit orange. I like this. Oh, look at the color. I like the color. Whoa. Basti? Let's see what else he says. I like this color. Or?
Auch gut aus. Ich hab dir doch gesagt, das steht hier voll.
Echt?
Das ist der Pony.
Aber die Color ist auch schon, oder?
Ja.
He says I should do my bangs or the Frenchy like that he told me already a long time ago. It's also, I have to adjust it better. But this even like fits me really good, I would say. Like also the bangs. I like these waves. Alrighty. So now my makeup doesn't go with this wig, but I love this wig. I love this color. I feel like this wig is so nice. It's also shedding a little bit. How does it look in the back? I feel like you can say for sure that I am wearing a wig by all the wigs. I don't know, like if I would go and wear it actually in the public like that. Would you? It depends for what the wig you want, you know. Yeah, so I guess this is this wig. Let's see. Long curly synthetic wig with bangs. Rust brown. 14.73 €. It has also over 1,000 reviews. And what was the length? 65 centimeters, it says. Alright guys, so that was our 6 cheap SHEIN wigs. And yeah, comment below which one did you like most, which one did look the most natural, I guess. I don't know. The pink one for sure not. Or if you have some, you know, some advice for me how to wear it, how to adjust it, or if you have any experiences with those exact wigs, you know, show some love. Don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.